I thought I'll just go there, I'll hear what it's about, and because it was free, I literally thought that I would already know the information, which was quite bad. All the information that I've learned, I've upscaled my business already by like over 100%, and that's within the space of like a week.
The presentation on the first day just got me so motivated to start and get everything together, do my website, social media.
I just wanted to learn some new skills, brush up what I already know. But from coming here, I have learned a lot because I've basically learned how to start a business for free. Whereas before, I was borrowing money, getting into debt, doing all the things that you say not to do.
Certainly found a pop-up business school, and it's changed completely what I can do, and they gave me confidence, ability to start something that doesn't require any money.
I didn't know where to start with it. I just was a bit sort of, where do I go with it? What do I do to start off? How do I contact businesses? I've learned a lot.
I've seen like money as a barrier, I've seen loads of different things as barriers, and all the barriers have been broken down now. I've got my website, I've got business cards, I've got all my social medias, so literally everything that I've learned I've been applying every single day, and I'm getting people looking at my site already, so the interest is coming in, and I'm happy. It's not next year yet.
Online, if you read online, you research, everyone says to get a loan, sort of get a business plan together before you can start making money. I think it was just the fact of making money before you even put any money out into the business.
Thank you for helping us. You opened many doors for everyone, not just us. I could help open doors for people that relate to me. I could teach them. Yeah, just thanks for helping us.
So many people need this and they just don't know it's available.
If you want your life changed, if you want to if you feel trapped, if you feel you're not going anywhere, come to a business, our business school, and you'll see the doors that they'll open for you.
I am going to make money.